तर तुम्ही मेवले नाका सकाळ
He is okay. He is better. He is recovering. He recovered. That is why he went to Parra and he came back. No.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ आपली कित्याक आपली तुमका कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन?
No, I am not in the core committee. Core committee will decide. If there is a meeting, they will decide. No? I have nothing to do with that.
पण असं स्पेक्युलेट जाता की ते अमेरिकाक वचपाचे आसा.
No, that is all wrong.
अशें कांय ना तुमचे.
He is not going to America. He is not going anywhere. He is very good. He is fine.
पण विजय
recovering. He is because he has recovered so much. He went to Parra and he came back.
विजयाचे म्हणल्या की ऑब्झर्वर्स येवपाचे फाल्यां डिसायड
करपाक. No, that is they are not coming to decide anything. Decision will be taken by Manohar Parrikar and the BJP core committee together.
US वचपाची बी गरज
ना. He has already gone to US and he's come back. The question only does not arise to go back to US.
So present, how is the condition of the?
He is very good, no?